Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see concatenate formula. By using this formula we can merge different cell into single cell value. Let's see. Just put equal, type concatenate, open bracket, select first text, comma, select second text, close to bracket, enter. Now you can see in the E column the merged value, you can get it. If you want a space in between Sendil Kumar, we need to follow one more step. Same, equal, concatenate, open bracket, select the first text. Here, use and double quote, space, double quotes, and then select the second text, close the bracket. Now we can see space between Sendil Kumar. Same for other text also. Ram Kumar. Just paste, copy paste the formula. Here we can get the value. Same for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will copy paste the formula. Here we can get the merged value. So this formula we can use anywhere. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. If you want more videos, please put it in the comment below.